like these baby
pants.
Bye. TikTok.
Hi guys, what's up? It's a beautiful day today and we are all stepping up. Say hello, Praise.
Hello, YouTube.
No, say hello to the camera. Say hello, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
YouTube. Hey. Say hello.
Hello. How you guys doing? Are you feeling okay? Hello friends at home. My name is Juliet Nanodoto.
Julie said she doesn't like my orange lips. I'm giving you guys 90s vibe.
Looks like malaria. So she has malaria.
No, this is hot pink. Hot pink. See my profile. Let's hop in my Maserati. Mine's in is from the bush. Praise, say hello.
Hello.
Hi YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Just got here. What's up? So I'm at Beau Hair Lounge. I came to get my wigs. She revamped. Is it revamped? Revamped them for me. Yeah, so I can't wait. She's going to install it. Bye. Hey guys, so we're ready to start. Just going to install my wig. Guys, I'm gonna install this.
Right. Show everybody your head. Then.
No, I'm wearing my big cap on though.
No, you need to show everyone.
My hair is horrible. See. Oh, beautiful.
You look like a rapper.
I made it myself.
It's nice, it's flat. But we try it on because I need to know if this band is tight. I need to buy it. Do you have enough
on the back or from the front?
The front. Precious, that's the anti way of putting it on. Bye.
I'm an auntie.
See how it's sitting?
Oh, no.
Oh, that means your head is big. Because the way you put it on, the cap isn't even on. Oh, babe. Right.
My head is actually big.
Do you want baby hair?
Oh, yes, please. I like baby hair.
But do you want baby hair at the sides or in the middle or what?
Anywhere. Anyone that looks natural.
And do you want me to straighten it curve? What I'm going to do is...
Can I wear my cap back?
Yeah.
Shall I see my... I really do not care. All those people that used to do their wigs and they'll put it like this in their ear and now my curry.
Yeah. That's if you're doing frontal.
Yeah. But I don't do that. I cannot.
But why not?
I don't know how to.
But the wig that you bought off me is frontal, you know.
Yeah. No, but you're going to just
Big Mac truck, running this lyrical ride. Make it dream, make it stream. I don't public, make the scene. I don't cook, I don't clean, but like.
Oh, I've heard this song.
And your coat is wet and gushy. He bought a phone just for pictures of his wet and gushy. The way that I spit, like he tryna sign me. Handcuffs, leashes, switch my wig, make him feel like he cheating. Put him on his knees, give him something to believe in. Never love a fight, but I'm looking for a beat. In a wrong chain, I'm the one that eats you. If he ain't my eye, he's a bottom feeder. Big D stand for big.
So why are you looking at him like that? It's so hot. It's so... Where do you want me to glue it?
Oh, okay.
Oh, is it not too cold?
Nice thing is that I let go of my hand.
Yeah. friend.
He's gonna cry when he sees you.
Wow. I'm just going to make the party. You know the hat that you was wearing, if you put it, it looks French.
Oh, really? Yeah, that's true. But I'm too sad.
Does it even look like a poetry then?
Yeah, it looks like
It looks like frontal.
No,
Though.
sorry.
Oh my god, you guys. I love this hair. I'm not even going to lie. I'm going to look for a picture of how this hair was.
Yeah, and then show them.
finally, yeah, look for it. So you can see. You can see. Oh, check me out. Hey! I'm going out this night. I don't know where I'm going to, but I'm going somewhere. I'm definitely going somewhere.
Precious, look to the camera. Wow. With the red lip, it looks good.
I would do red lip. What lipstick is that?
Mark. But is this red? This is orange.
It's red.
Is it red?
Is it ruby rouge?
Yeah.
Oui, madame.
Put the bonnet on. I'm gonna put it there.
The one is rude. It has to be to the side.
Wow, go to France.
Honestly.
Like that?
Does it not cover the front? Or is it like that? I
It's
don't know.
covered the front. Which one?
It looks like you're going to Paris for real.
I'm French, man. Maybe my husband is a Frenchman. Who knows?
Wow. Guys, check out PJ.
Oh my god, I can't believe this. Is this his hair? Wow.
I've actually got baby feet. Well, I've got a baby feet.
Okay, so guys, we've come to the end of this vlog. Was I even vlogging? I don't know what I was doing. Just playing around. Secrets.
I want to take a picture there.
Hi guys.
So guys, if you're looking for where to get your hair done in Manchester, the United Kingdom, you should definitely check out Nationality. They're the best. You know, you can already see it from my hair. Oh my god, I can't believe this. I should go.
Can't believe it.
Like, look at that, look at that. It looks like my natural hair. This is like,
Yes,
this is actually my hair though. I don't even know what you're talking about. It's not a wig. This is me. This is all me, you know, from my mama.
From my mama. It's all her.
That's fine. I think I'm talking too much. Hey, remember to subscribe to my channel. I like my videos. Share it.
Post notification.
Yeah,
on.
please turn it on. was nice doing business with you all. See you in my next one.
Bye, guys.
The Maserati song. Yes, happy Maserati. Have you seen it? Happy Maserati. It's on this side, yeah. I mean, it's on that side. It's on that side. She looks to follow everything. Anyway, let's come down to the biscuit. No, I don't want this way. I want this way. That's how the actual sits on. Let's pack this jewelry. This one, girl. Did you ever start packing? Let me look at your clothes. On the top there.
Manchester, definitely.
Sorry, start. Sorry.
Get on.
Battery storage.
Okay.